fellas, tighten up. If you're gonna be on some Naughty by Nation shit, you're gonna be on some OPP shit, tighten up. Boy, I gotta say, the dust out here is real. It makes me want to keep my damn mask on so I don't get it all in my mouth. In your mouth. Oh, if I sound a little excited out here today, I am. I love coming out to this location. It's always a good time because you never know what you're gonna see, like, you know, a food stamp Mercedes. Now I know someone's gonna get you, why are you calling it a food stamp Mercedes? This is like the entry level of the entry level Mercedes, and it's not bad. I've just seen a lot of them here and in the junkyards with blown motors, period. And this was a girl's because it's got pink. Ooh, there's blood all over that. No thank you. But look, it had all the pink seat covers and stuff. Probably texting on your phone and then went, oh no, smash. And you know, your very first Mercedes Benz went right out the window. Anyways, I'm not interested in that car. Let's keep it moving. The first one on my list that I'm actually interested in, oh, look at this. Shout out to Silverback. Look at this. Another Chevy Malibu. Now I wonder what's up with this one. For some reason, these Chevy Malibus like to take it up the ass, man. And I don't know. Get that branch out of there. Yep. See, this one was this is not anywhere near like the one we got for Silverback, but I wonder if you could pull that out and save the car. I wonder. I don't think it's completely possible. It might be. Just pull it out. Interesting. Well, it's one that I'm gonna look at with that big fender damage. What's funny is, remember this BMW? Now, this thing sold. Now, you have to go back a while, several months. Several months ago, I looked at this car. Maybe it wasn't several months, maybe it was like 2 months. And you saw like it got sideswiped and whatnot, right? And I was like, you know what? It's not that serious. I'll go ahead. And then we opened up the hood and you saw like everything was like zip tied together. Well, now it looks like the sunroof is open and somebody else, whoever bought it, must have come to the realization that the work it's going to take to get this thing even mechanically passable or drivable was too much, and they're running it back through the auction. Yes, it does run and drive, but it's just too far gone. It's done. Ugh. And for my carnage freaks, I got a couple for y'all today. Now you might already know what this is because we're already at the rear, but this used to be a Chevy Malibu. It's no longer a Chevy Malibu. It's currently smashed. That's what it is. That's all it is. It's just smashed. Man, it's just amazing to see how these things fold up like damn accordions. Woo. And then look at it. Look at this Camry too. This Camry. What was that song from DC back in the day? Doing the butt. Let me stop. Let me stop. Hey, I mean, the rest of the side of this Malibu doesn't look too bad. I don't even know what this is. Can anybody guess? Oh, I kind of gave it away. It says Kia on an engine component right here, right above the chain. But oof, like look at the shocks. Like the stuff is like broke off. Like this thing is completely, say it with me, smashed. Like it is a wrap. Though I heard, whoo, wait a minute. Whoo, it's about to smell like, whoo, man, it stinks over here. I was gonna say maybe it has a good headlight, but the headlight's full of water. That might be what that smell is. Oof. disgusting. So there is, and that's a Genesis too. There is some Copart carnage for y'all today, you carnage freaks. Let's get back to looking at some real cars. All right, now this one is interesting to me strictly for the fact that it is a Honda Civic in the same model year or body type style of the one I already have. Now, I know you're gonna say, well, TK, you can't use your hood. I might be able to get away with using my burnt fenders though. And you know, if this engine, it says it drives, it is a run-in driver, so I may be able to just put new cooling components and stuff like radiator, condenser and stuff on the front and put this together with parts from my other Civic, and I might be able to do something with it, you know. Not the burnt Civic, but this Civic. Like this one looks like the shocks and stuff were done in the rear, but I have a whole nother car with decent parts, so we'll have to see what that one goes for, but definitely on my watch list. Now, as we walk over here, we see a couple of classics, and one is this Mercedes 500 SL, which looks like it has seen better days. It definitely has. It looks like dog shit. But damn, I'm trying to get around where I wouldn't have to walk through a pile of mud, but I don't think I'm going to be able to avoid it. I'm just going to have to embrace the nastiness. All right, I'm done. I know someone's like, I'm trying to eat, TK, that's messed up. All right, 500 SL, fender for sure, headlight, bumper cover, rims and stuff look all right though. 56,000 miles. Does not say if it runs or drives. I will have to check on the listing. Ooh, this thing dumped a bunch of stuff. Ew. I wanted to look at this too, but this one's finished. That BMW's finished. But this old SL, man, I don't know. Maybe. Back through the slosh. Here we go. I know y'all gonna be like, damn, TK, that's foul, man. All right, the next one I want to look at over here, shout out to my dude, the Bionic Scoop. This might be up his alley, because this is a zero emission Nissan Leaf. You excited yet? Me neither. Scoop's like, screw you, TK. Now, why is this one here? Well, I don't know. There's legit no damage. Oh, never mind. I'm like, there's no damage to the front. It looks good, right? Looks like a deer or something came through the front. Like, I don't see any reason why this thing would be here. And then as we start to walk around the Nissan Leaf, we see exactly why it's here. This thing has been smashed. And I don't know if this is like the BMW i8. Maybe my dude, the Bionic Scoop, can mention in the comments. But the i3 and i8 are built on carbon fiber frames, so they're a little bit more difficult to repair than, you know, a steel frame or aluminum or whatever you want to call it. Done. Definitely bowed. You can see the car is like bowed in half here. Done to the done. All right, next. Let's keep it moving. Because Scoop, let me know if you happen to be here in the live premiere when I publish this video. Let me know what they do with these right here, if that's actually the case or not. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what they do here with those. You know, are they carbon fiber frames or are they just regular metal cars? All right, let's keep going. Oof. And this is for the ladies. Fellas, now this guy may have been a deacon, maybe he was a pastor, I don't know what he did, but he was messing with Miss Sally, and then he was messing with Rhonda, and then he was messing with Janelle, and then they all found out and they did him real greasy. Yo, I'm talking about Yo, you could tell like you could tell the level of mad. They was like, yo, they was hitting this joint like Mike Myers with a screwdriver. Look at it. That's a hammer. Look at that hammer. Bang, 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 bang. This is like, bang, bang. This is like some whistling diesel shit.
No, yo, God!
Look at the.
No, God! Please,
yo,
no,
this
no,
whoever did this
no,
was so in their feelings. Like, I just want to know, like, ladies, when you get mad and you destroy your man's car because they got cheating, are you swinging the hammer for like each stroke? Inquiring minds want to know, man, because damn. And then they kind of drew like a crown on the hood, right? And then when they was done breaking the headlights and denting the hood, could you imagine? Just think about this for a minute. Could you imagine? You know you foul as a mug, right? You just got done. You just took a shower because you just got done busting out Sally. And Angie's at home waiting for you. You come home, you think shit's sweet. You get into bed. You get up in the morning, Angie gone, right? You're like, oh, she must have went to work. Whoop-de-whoop. You take your ass outside and your shit looks like this. I'm done. Like, you can't even be mad though. Let's keep it a buck though. You can't even be mad. You gotta look at the level. This has gotta be this. Shit. I gotta take a picture. This is gonna be the thumbnail, cause let me take a picture of this, because this right here is going to be the thumbnail, because the don't cheat on your baby mom's Cadillac, the don't cheat on your wife Cadillac. Oof. I mean, and then like it wasn't even up here, right? You notice she had to be short because there's not a scratch or a ding on the roof anywhere, right? It's only yo, she hit the mirror. She was like, fuck you, smash. Yo, can you just imagine? Like, I want to know how, because see, you know, like the damage gets to be more like hammer strikes and scratches, but this one fender, yo, she was like, bitch, you die. Boom. And she was going in like she destroyed this whole fender headlight, and then was like probably out of breath, and then thought about him stroking Sally, and then just smash, and just went right back to work, man. And then just said, and then got to the point where she couldn't even hit it with the hammer on the door anymore, and just hit it hit it with the screwdriver. Like, look at the window. Oh man. Oh, the only thing that's keeping that together is the tint, man. And then, oh no, see, it was the baby moms. Yo, the baby moms did get you, because look, they got a, yo, you foul, son. You got a car seat in here. Hold on, wait a minute. We got to do some inspection here. Was it a baby mom? Was this a dude's car, or was this a chick's car? Dude, if you're a fella, if you're a guy and you do this to a female's car, you're a bitch.
Now fuck that bitch.
I'm just gonna say it right now. All right, I'm guessing those are the kids' pants. So we don't know. The jury is still out. Yo, the level of damage, like the windows is done. I bet you this thing runs and drives fine. I'm yo, they cut the tires. No, she did not.
Fatality.
They cut the tires. So, yo, they was outside. yo, she was outside for a good minute, tearing shit up, man. You know, the neighbors was out there with the cameras. Everybody. I'm done. This is really not, this really shouldn't be funny, but it's hilarious to me. Yo, you even look, like, okay, I got it. You broke the taillights. You was sending a message, but why? Why you gotta break the? You know, this is like, I can't. This man, I want to bid on this. Clean it up, leave the broken windows and stuff, and like look at the dents down the line. Jesus Christ. Yo, she went in, man. She went in. Oh, I want to put a vinyl like letters down the side, like, is the other side clean? Because I could be like, this is you, and this is you cheating on your baby moms. Oh no, it's oh, destroyed it, man. Look, and they were like, yeah, screw that. They wanted to make sure they hit every single surface with that hammer. Busted that window out. Yo. And then when they got done, they wanted to make sure they scratched it all up too, like the hammer didn't already finish the car, you know what I'm saying? Now what I wonder is if a good paintless dent guy could remove, I mean, not the scrapes and stuff, but could you get the dents out where you could spray it? I don't think the body damage itself, like, you could body fill a lot of this stuff and then spray it, but like these, you know, these fenders, yo, they were like, they went in, they were like, screw that, kicking and punching. Yo, the headlights are going to be expensive, the glass is going to be expensive, and it's got no keys either. You know, the dude was so upset, like they just came and towed the shit. But I guarantee you, the car probably runs and drives perfectly with absolutely zero issues. I guarantee you, no issues. I bet you it runs and drives just fine. I'm willing to bet this was a dude's car and you got caught. It's got 101,255 miles on it. You got caught. You got caught. And she fucking did you. She did you. I mean, woof. What was that Ghostface and Neo song? Why you gotta get a dude back like that? You should have just went and smashed his friends. Smashed his friends, got it on video, and sent it to him. Matter of fact, smashed his friends and told him not to pull out. That's what you should have did. I mean, if you really want to get a dude back, that's what you do. Every time I see this 392, I'm just like, wow. Ooh.
Brutality.
Anyways, and for good measure, she didn't cut the other side, but she cut these tires. So fellas, let this last 6 or 7 minutes of previewing this Cadillac go to show you, okay, this is what happens when you're sloppy in the DMs. All right, fellas, tighten up. If you're gonna be on some naughty by nature shit, you're gonna be on some OPP shit, tighten up, because this could be your shit. This could be your ride. I'm just saying.